We are pleased to show you the 2014 CR-V. CR-V, a top recommended vehicle because of its car-like driving manners, good value, cool technology, and comfy interior, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 100,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: all-wheel drive, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, tires, front all season, four-wheel disc brakes, tires, rear all season, driver illuminated vanity mirror. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.